Hello students, in this video we will learn about nest of birds. Nest is a bird's home. We can see nests of birds on trees, on the terrace of buildings, on electricity poles and many other places. They remain safe from enemies and weather in their nest. The materials used for making the nest also varies as per the nesting habits of different birds. Different species of birds use different materials to make their nest. Birds use many different things like twigs, straws, leaves, cotton, broom bristles, and even their own feathers to build their nest. These are some nesting materials. The term nesting material refers to anything that birds make use to construct a nest. Regardless of the nest size or shape, the nesting materials serve several purposes like cushioning eggs from the ground and parents' weight, insulating eggs from temperature changes, camouflaging the nest from predators, and protecting the nest from enemies. A bird nest is the spot in which a bird lays and incubates its eggs and raises its young. Students, why do birds make their nest? And the answer of this question is, birds make their nest to lay eggs and to hatch them. They keep their young ones safe and warm in their nest. Their chicks stay there till they are old enough to fly. Students, here I am going to show you a page from Diary of Komal. She is in class 3rd and wants to share her experience with us. Let's see what she wrote in her diary. Today I visited my Nani's house with my mother. On the way, there were many stones along the roadside. In the spaces between these stones, an Indian robin had laid its eggs in a nest. My mother showed it to me. I was surprised to see that the nest was made up of grass, soft twigs, roots, wool, hair, and cotton. I also saw a small chick in it. It was feeling cozy in its nest. Next day, I went to see the nest again. I was surprised when I saw the baby bird in the robin's nest with its beak wide open. Its mouth was pink from inside. The mother bird was feeding the baby bird with small insects. I wondered how a small bird like robin had made such a nice nest. Students, if you have seen any bird's nest like Komal, you can share your experience with us. There is an amazing fact about birds. Birds can make sounds to communicate about danger, food, and to locate one another. So students, in this video, we learned about nest and the nesting materials and what is the need of a nest for birds. And in next video, we will learn more about different nesting habits of different birds. Thank you.